When you search for dive watches, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to truly find the gems that fit your lifestyle, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, TechMagic 10 ATM Digital Dive Watch. First, let's talk about the TechMagic 10 ATM Digital Dive Watch. Priced at just $25.79, it caught my attention with its sleek digital display and affordable price tag. If you want a reliable watch for both diving and daily activities, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this watch is a good fit for you. With a waterproof level of 10 ATM, it works perfectly at a depth of 100 meters. So whether you're swimming, snorkeling, or just out for a jog in the rain, this watch has you covered. The built-in stopwatch and timer are great for timing your laps or workouts, plus it has a dual time zone feature, which can be super handy if you're traveling. And let's not forget the glow-in-the-dark feature, making it easy to read even in low-light situations. Now, some folks might find the digital design a bit too simple for their taste. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something sleek and functional without the frills of a luxury watch, this could be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense digital watch that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer the classic analog feel. Honestly, for the price, it offers amazing value.
Product number 2, FZGAO 100-meter waterproof watch, priced at $23.99. The large face and easy-to-read dial really stood out to me. If you want something straightforward for swimming and daily wear, this is a solid option. This watch also boasts a 10 ATM water resistance, making it suitable for long underwater activities like swimming or snorkeling. The Japanese quartz movement ensures accurate timekeeping, and with a case diameter of 45 millimeters, it's big enough to make a statement without being overwhelming. Plus, it comes with a soft rubber strap that's both durable and comfortable for all-day wear. And let's not forget the luminous hands for those night swims. Some users have mentioned that the second hand can be a bit hard to see in certain lighting. However, in my experience, the overall readability compensates for that. This is perfect for you if you want a classic analog watch that's functional and easy to read. Skip this one if you're looking for a watch with more advanced features or a smaller size. At this price, it's hard to beat the value.
Product number 3, iLame 10 ATM Digital Sports Watch. Our third pick is the iLame Swimming and Diving Wristwatch, retailing at $21.79. I was really impressed by how many features you get for such a low price. If you want a multifunctional watch for both sport and casual use, this could be a great fit. Like the previous options, this watch is also rated for 10 ATM water resistance, so it's ideal for swimming and diving. With its built-in stopwatch, timer, and dual time zone feature, it's tailor-made for athletes who need precise timing. And since it's digital, it's super easy to read, even in low light conditions. The battery is also replaceable, which is a nice touch for longevity. Some users have pointed out that the design feels a bit bulkier than they expected. But if you're active and need a watch that can take a beating, this could actually be a benefit. This is perfect for you if you love sports and need a practical watch that won't let you down. Skip this one if you prefer a sleeker, more refined style. It truly offers great bang for your buck.
Product number 4, Addy's Dive 41mm Men's Dive Watch. Fourth on our list is the Addy's Dive 41mm Dive Watch, priced at $53.99. What really grabbed my attention here is the luminous gradient dial and the value you get for a dive-rated watch. If you want something that looks good both in and out of the water, this is worth considering. This watch is water resistant up to 20 ATM, which means you can take it down to 200 meters. The luminous hands are a game changer for visibility underwater. It features a unidirectional rotating bezel and a durable stainless steel design, making it great for divers. Plus, the quartz movement means you won't have to deal with winding it up. However, some folks have mentioned that the weight might be a bit much for everyday wear. But honestly, if you're looking for something that can handle the ocean depths and look good doing it, that weight adds to its durability. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional dive watch. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight for everyday office wear. It's a quality watch that feels like a steal at this price.
Product number 5, Undone Aqua Deep Automatic Dive Watch, which comes in at $395.
It's a bit pricier, but it's an automatic watch that's made to last. If you're serious about diving and want a watch that can keep up, this is definitely worth your consideration. With a water resistance of up to 500 meters, this watch is built for serious diving adventures. It's made from grade 2 titanium, making it lightweight yet incredibly durable. And the double dome sapphire crystal ensures you won't have trouble reading the time, even at odd angles. Plus, the helium escape valve is a crucial feature for saturation divers. Some users have mentioned that the price is a bit steep compared to others on this list, but if you're an avid diver, the investment in quality and features makes sense. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-performance dive watch with premium features. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual watch for occasional swimming. It's definitely an investment, but for serious divers, it's worth every penny.
To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic dive watches that aren't the usual suspects like Rolex or Omega. From the budget-friendly T-Magic and F-Seagull to the feature-rich Undone Aqua Deep, there's something for every kind of diver here. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro, these watches offer great value and functionality without breaking the bank.